How to share Instagram Reels on your stories. This tutorial shows you how to repost any reel directly to your Instagram story on your Android device. First, open the Instagram app on your Android device. After that, tap on Reels at the bottom of the screen to browse through the Reels feed. From there, find the reel you want to share to your story. At this point, tap the paper plane icon below the reel to open the share options. In the next step, tap on Add Reel to your story from the options that appear. Following this, the reel will be loaded into your story editor where you can customize it before posting. Once done, you can move and resize the reel preview, add text, stickers, or emojis on top to make it more engaging. From here, tap the Your Story button at the bottom left to share it directly to your story. At this stage, your story will be posted, and your followers will be able to tap on it to watch the full reel. Finally, the shared reel will stay on your story for 24 hours before it disappears automatically. And that's it. If this Instagram guide helped you share reels to your story, give it a like, subscribe for more Instagram tutorials, and tap the bell icon for updates. See you in the next one.